I will never know how much effort needed for running a YouTube channel if I've ever tried. I did planning, painting, video shooting and editing, YouTube uploading and my online store listing all by myself. Also, I started to use Instagram to conduct my art-related news. What a year! Busy but rich. I've learned a lot, not only on painting, but also on video editing, social media, and marketing. I'm so proud of my persistence on painting. The reason of making my channel first is to attract more people's interests on art. Second is people can find some painting techniques or painting ideas from my videos. Third is to share my painting thoughts or my painting feelings with others. Artists are living in their own worlds, and I invite you into my world. Continue to do my painting channel next year, but speed down a little bit. This year, I upload 1 to 2 videos per week. Next year, I will do 1 video per week or 1 video per 10 days. That depends on my painting accomplishment. I will focus on quality instead of quantity next year. Next year, I will continue to paint different content. Landscape, human portrait, city view, and flowers are the keynotes. Maybe some illustration with poems as well. You enjoy my art videos. Any suggestions or comments are welcome to write in the comments or via my Instagram hashtag Helen Han _art. Thanks for your support and see you next year. Bye.